Tom Reuter here with Spray Foam Engineers. Going to show you a real quick run through of a Graco E30 Reactor 3 Pro model in a shore power configuration. So this one's different because it doesn't have a generator, it's less expensive to produce, and it's also a lot quieter to operate. So instead of having a diesel generator like a lot of guys like to have in their rig, they'll have 100 feet of a 2-4 SO cord like this that you plug into the electric service panel where you're working with a 100 amp 2-pole breaker. So I personally like this setup a lot because it's a lot quieter, and so you can hear yourself think if you're on a job site, and you don't need to buy diesel, but you do need to have someone who's qualified to plug it into the electric panel, like an electrician on site. So, but we've got our T3 pumps right here that are pneumatic, sitting inside of our closed cell A and B drums. We've got our compressor right here, air dryer, and then we've got the Pro model, like I mentioned, with the Graco E30 Reactor 3, internally heated hose right here, and so right now we got everything turned on, and which is really nice because you can't hear anything. And if I turn on my A side heater, we've got load going to the heater, and load going to our hose heat, and load going to our B side heater, and we still can't hear anything. Except for when the compressor kicks on, we'll hear that. But so now, we could assume that those are up to temperature and go ahead and turn on our pumps. You can see the pressure build to our A and B pumps. I think our pressure's off a little bit because we're just doing a demo with bleeding out the A side line. But so yeah, we could go ahead and pop that down, bleed it back down to 0 again to show pressure dumping the valve down to 0. And now that we're starting from 0 again, go ahead and turn on our pumps, and they should pressurize pretty evenly. So yeah, it's balancing out pretty good. 1450, 1550. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.